Hello friends and welcome to the beautiful island of Majorca, Spain. In this video we take you to the most famous caves in Majorca, Coves del Drac. The Dragon Caves are located on the southeast side of Majorca in Porto Cristo. You are let into the cave with the whole group at a certain time through an entrance door. You explore the cave on your own and can look at everything at your leisure. The tour lasts about an hour and covers a distance of around 1,200 meters with many stairs, through galleries made of thousands of stalactites and stalagmites to a depth of 25 meters. The visit also includes a live concert by the lake. During the tour, filming is only permitted without a tripod and photography is only possible without a flash. I took all the shots handheld with the GoPro. Friends, if you like the video, give us a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other adventures. The temperature in the cave fluctuates between 17 and 21 degrees Celsius. There are several lakes in the cave, including Lago Martel, which bears the name of the speleologist who was the first to cross it. It is one of the largest underground lakes in the world, measuring 117 meters long, 30 meters wide and between 4 and 12 meters deep. Unfortunately, filming and taking photos is not allowed during the live concert. 4 pieces of classical music were played on cello, harpsichord and violin. After the concert, you can take a boat ride for a while. But it is so dark that it wasn't worth it for us to go. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you again in the next video. See you soon. Your Jack.